In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Bing search history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect once your history is cleared, so you can tidy up your searches with confidence. Start by opening your favorite web browser and going to bing.com. This process works right from the Bing website, so you don't need to install anything or dig through hidden menus. If you want your full search history that's linked to your Microsoft account removed across devices, make sure you're signed in. Look to the top right of the page. If you see a Sign In option, click it and sign in to your Microsoft account. Being signed in ensures the searches associated with your account are the ones that get cleared, not just what's on your current device. Once you're on the Bing homepage and signed in, look again at the top right. You'll see a small settings gear icon or a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open Bing's quick settings menu. In the menu that appears, click Search History. This takes you directly to your personal search history page, hosted by Bing. On the search history page, you'll see a list of your past searches. This page is organized to help you understand what's been recorded under your account, and it's the place where clearing happens. Take a quick look if you want to confirm you're viewing the correct account and the expected entries. To remove everything in one go, look for the Clear All button, typically located on the right side of the page. Click Clear All. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure this is what you want. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Yes, Clear All. After a brief moment, your list should refresh, and you'll see that your search history has been wiped clean. What does this actually do? Clearing here deletes the search history stored with your Microsoft account, which helps keep your activity private and reduces clutter across any device where you use Bing while signed in. If you weren't signed in earlier, the page may only reflect recent activity from your current browser session, so it's best to sign in before clearing to remove account-level history. If you don't immediately see changes, give the page a quick refresh or sign out and back in to verify. And remember, clearing search history doesn't affect your saved bookmarks or other browser data. It specifically targets your Bing searches. That's it! You've successfully cleared your Bing search history.